Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the best Goku that it's out right now. I'm sure to say it's out right now, but it's out in Japan. I got this guy from Hobby Genki. It's actually really good for $35 plus shipping, of course, because you're shipping it from Japan. But I know this guy is getting released in the US, I think this month. So I just wanted to kind of like do a long video and show you why this guy is such a good figure. And I know you've seen probably a lot of people doing the review of this one, and you know, I'm late in the game because I have things to do. So but again, I'm just wanted to do a video and show you how this guy is so good, and you'll be super happy to have him on your collection. For accessories, we have the very minimum. Honestly, it's a $35 figure. What do you guys expect? Although I wish we would have, you know, like a Kamehameha effect like this one, which I'm gonna show you next how I'm gonna use that and where I got it from. But the accessories, we have 3 faceplates, you know, the one when he's angry, screaming, and happy. Then we have about 6 hands. Again, that's the standard Goku hands, one holding about, you know, like he's about to do a Kamehameha, you know, like martial artist hands, and ones with the hands open. And of course we have the fist ones installed in the figure. And then we have an extra skirt, which is this thing right here. That's actually the original that comes in the package. I already swapped it with the one that it was like wavy. That's for like action poses. And then we have a another hair piece. Man, sounds like I'm saying herpes. Anyway, but yeah, we have another hair sculpt. I would say that better. And it's, you know, it's so wavy, like it's doing action figures. Yeah, I mean, not action figures, but just like action poses. And the figure itself, which is, you know, it's right here in the middle. For articulation, let's go from like different parts of the body. Let's start with the head. It has a double ball joint neck peg. Let me show you right here. That's what it should be on every single S.H.Figuarts. That way you don't have this weird like hinge neck peg that they usually use for the 2.0 bodies right here. This is actually better. Also, the neck articulates as well. It rotates this much, let me see, and then it goes down this much and high up there like this. See, that's actually really good. And then the whole middle section, the whole like the waist and the upper body here, it's all like one piece of rubber or like soft plastic that actually they try to use this with Beast Gohan, and they kind of fell. I don't know, like I think they did it better here. It articulates better-ish. I mean, I know there's a lot of people that are customizing it by removing the part inside the body, which I'm not gonna do in this video because it will take me forever. But it has some good articulation. Then we have some nice butterfly articulation that goes all the way to the back, like this, and all the way to the front too as well. They can cross arms like this. For articulation in the arms, we have the bicep rotation, and we have the bend on the elbow, which is really good. Also, we have a nice wrist hinge, and also rotates as well. Understand that this area here, the sleeves in the shirt, they are soft plastic, so they won't get on the way. You can push them as much as you want. Just be careful not to push it like too far, but you have plenty of range. They don't get on the way whatsoever. So that's what I really like about this figure, the fact that you have a nice natural range in the arms without the plastic on the gi to, you know, get in the way. Next, the waist rotates as it should, and then you have some like decent ab crunch. Like I mentioned before, there's people that already did a mod where they take this like blue plastic in the inside, and you'll be able to get some nice ab crunch, you know, modification or just a lot of range. But honestly, I'm just gonna keep it in stock. So just if you wanna do that, I mean, you knock yourself out, do it yourself. I don't have a tutorial, and probably I won't either, but who knows, maybe in the future. Next, we have what a lot of people had you know, saw that as a controversial was the bend on the knee that is just a one single like joint. And honestly, guys, it's fine. I don't know why you guys people complain when you see those pictures. I guess Tamashii Nations didn't do a good job with those pictures whatsoever, and a lot of people complain about it. But honestly, it does the job nicely. I think it does it even better than the 2.0 body. Here, let me show you. This guy has a double joint knee, and look, I mean, it's there. You get some nice range there. This guy almost matches it. And I honestly like how this knee looks. I mean, it looks smooth, and it just, the transitions, I mean, they're aesthetically just looks pleasing to me. I don't know why you guys complaining. Unlike this guy who, you see a lot of gaps. Again, they're action figures. I, understand that too. There are gonna be gaps here and there, but the knees, they just work right here. So you don't have to worry about it. So if that was something that was kind of like bugging you, I don't think it's a big of a deal anymore. Like, just look at it. It poses nicely. Anyway, let's go back to the rest of the articulation. The leg can stand sideways, this much. I mean, I can stand a little bit more, but you have this soft plastic in the way, so it can go higher. I mean, and it goes higher because I'm pushing this one on the side, so it can definitely do a, I don't know what you call this, but I know Goku won't do this, but I'm just gonna show you the extension of the range of articulation for this figure. Then it goes almost above 90 degrees if you want to do like a high kick, which looks really nice. And then you have that nice bend on the knee. And the thing that I really like about this Goku is they finally fixed this like ankle rock area here. For previous Gokus, such as this guy, they were kind of useless. Even the Vegeta ones are kind of useless. But honestly, finally this one, look at the range. It goes, let me go see if we can see it. Let me see my main light. You can go almost this much and that much, and it goes low too. That is amazing. I know I'm just glazing on this, but honestly, we've been waiting for something like this for a long time. I was waiting for this for a long time, not gonna lie. And it does spectacular, just how it poses. It looks natural, really. Let me see if I can do some like a cool pose here. If you see that this is, I'm just using another screen to see what I'm doing in front. So don't mind me if I'm taking just a little bit to get a good pose. And if you see, you probably saw some of my shorts. So that's where I usually like shine on posing, because here is more like explanations of long explanation of how to deal with articulation. But just look at it. I mean, yeah, I know I'm not doing a great job right now, but hear me out. It's just this works. And I hope that they do the same thing for the Vegeta that is gonna come out in June or July, I believe. I know it's gonna come out in May for Japan, which I already pre-ordered it. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the articulation of this guy right now. Before I forget, here's a quick look of the accessories installed on the figure. You saw the martial artist, and now you see the open hands. And at last, the semi-open hands for a Kamehameha pose. Next, we have Happy Goku faceplate. Now we have Angry Goku, and I did a pose to match the faceplate. And at last, we have Shouting Goku, and I actually changed the hair sculpt too, and understand that the hair sculpt, it's compatible with the other three faceplates, so you're good to swap in whenever you want. I just wanted to show you this faceplate with this this hair piece, because it just makes a lot more sense. I mentioned before that this figure should have a Kamehameha effect, and unfortunately it doesn't have one. But if you bought the orange Piccolo S.H.Figuarts, that comes with Beast Gohan's or regular Gohan hands with the Kamehameha effect. And actually this thing is compatible with this Daima Goku Adult. And here's how it looks when you install it correctly. And when I say install it correctly, just plug it into the wrist peg right there. You're gonna see some color variation, of course, because it's not the same body, but honestly, you're not gonna notice it if you just, if you're doing it this far. So yeah, that looks pretty nice. I think the legendary Super Saiyan Kamehameha effect might work too, but I haven't tried it. So if you have that one laying around, give it a try. I think it's about the same size, wrist peg size. So, I just saw the Gohan one and that actually worked for me. So I didn't try the other one. And at last, I wanted to show you something that I tried out. Again, I usually don't do head swaps on these kind of videos because what's the point if it's not gonna be a permanent swap. But I tried this one, and if you got the TK Customs Super Saiyan God, this actually fits and it stays in the peg. Look at that. This body actually makes sense, because a lot of people said that the Super Saiyan God is more of a slimmer like trim, and this guy is. I mean, you saw the animation. He looks very like slim compared to Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball Super. But man, it just makes a lot of sense to have this head sculpt installed on this figure. And I know that a company is doing the gi to make it match like if it was the Dragon Ball Super. So yeah, if you have the TK Custom Super Saiyan God, definitely you should give it a try. Again, it doesn't come off, it's nice. And again, like, I'm not gonna show you something that is like, oh, let me do a head swap of a head that you're not gonna be able to like keep it in this body unless you put some, just sticky tag or anything. I just wanted to show you something that actually works and it looks good and it matches the body. So what do you guys think about this? At last, I want to leave you with a quick size comparison with, the legendary Super Saiyan, Beast Gohan, Kid Daima Goku, and Saiyan, I don't call it Saiyan, Goku from the Saiyan saga. And I would say final thoughts for this Adult Goku Daima is to get it. Honestly, you won't miss out. I mean, it's amazing. It's really good to articulate, good to play around. If you want to see more more poses, definitely you should check out my shorts. I have more poses there. I just wanted to do this video to show you all the things that this thing has. And I mean, it has very little accessories, but for $35, I mean, even this guy, it was $35, Walmart exclusive and Target, and a lot of people were happy with it. So $35 it's a nice, it just works. It's a nice price for like entry level. So definitely give it a try. I know not many people like the Daima, but this is a great body to use it with Super Saiyan God. And I hope you guys like this video, this quick review of this adult Dragon Ball Daima Goku. And if you like this video, again, if you can just leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.